start. Step 5. Ground yourself. Touch a metal object first to remove static electricity. Step 6. Install motherboard. Carefully place the motherboard inside the case, line it up with the holes and tighten the screws. Step 7. Install hard drive. Place the hard drive in its slot gently. Step 8. Install optical drive. Slide the optical drive into the front slot and secure it carefully. Step 9. Install CPU, Central Processing Unit. Carefully place the CPU in the correct position and lock it in place. Step 10. Install RAM, Random Access Memory. Line up the RAM with the slot and gently push it down until it clicks. Step 11. Install heatsink. Place the heatsink on top of the CPU and attach it properly. Step 13. Install power supply. Place the power supply in its slot and tighten the